Right, boys and girls, today we are going through review 3. All right, and I want you to check your work. Okay, right, let's do this together. 5 groups of 3 is 5 times 3. So 5 times 3 is 15. 9 times 2 is 18. 6 times 4 is 24. 35 divided by 7, all right, 35 divided by 5 is 7. Okay, right, next. Color the statements that describe the picture. All right, let's take a look at the picture. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 groups. Okay, 5 groups of 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 party hats in the group, in each group. Okay, so here you're supposed to color. So I would want you to put a tick first if you think the answer is correct. So 20 divided by 5 is equals to 4. Yes. 4 groups of 5. I don't agree with that because there's 5 groups and not 4 groups. 5 groups of 4, yes. So after doing the tick, so what you do is you just take your highlighter because they want you to color the statement, right? So just use your highlighter and just highlight this nicely. All right, highlight the box for me like that. Okay, and you're done. Okay, next. Move on. Write different multiplication equation. All right, so they want multiplication equation to make the 30. All right, so it's what times what gives you 30. 5 times 6 give you 30. Another way is just switch this. 6 times 5 give you 30. All right, what else? Okay, you can tell me 10 times 3 is 30. So you switch that. 3 times 10 equals 30. Right? Okay, let's continue. Right, everyone. So question 4, write different division equation to that makes 5. So you must make 5 as the answer. Now always remember when you are doing division equation, the first number must be the total. Okay? Now let's go back and recap your times table 2 first. All right, is there a 5 in any of the times table 2? Yeah, you have actually 2 times 5 gives you 10, right? So you can actually write 10 divided by 2 gives you 5. Okay? All right, now let's move on to times table 3. That's what you have learned. 5 times 3 equals 15. So you can actually do a 15. That's a total divided by 3 gives you 5. Right? Okay. So you have learned times table 2, times table 3. Let's move on to times table 4. Right. So you have 4 times 5 equals to 20. So it's 20 divided by 4 equals to 5. Okay? So you have 2, 3, 4. Let's do times table 5. 5 times 5 give you a 25. Okay, so you can actually write 25 as the total divided by 5 will give you a 5. So you have done times table 2, times table 3, times table 4, times table 5. Let's do 10, all right? So 10 will be 50 divided by 10 equals to 5. All right, so let's check it out. So here you have 2 times 5 give you 10. 3 times 5 give you 15. 4 times 5 give you 20. 5 times 5 give you 25. 10 times 5 give you 50. Right? Is everybody okay? So you are working backwards. There is a relationship between the times and also the divide. Okay? Right, so now let's complete the multiplication equation given. 4 times 2 is 8. Now they just swap the places, so this answer will also be 8. Part B, 7 times 3 is 21. So 3 times 7 is also 21. Next, 9 times 4 is 36. Swap the places, this will also be 36. Okay, 3 times 5 is 15. So this will also be 15. Part E, 9 times 5 is 45. So 5 times 9 is also 45. 6 times 10 is 60. Swap the places, here will also be 60. Okay, alright. Question 6, fill in the blanks. Right here, you have to ask yourself, alright, what times 2 will give you a 16? So in other words, 16 divided by 2. So your answer will be 8. So here is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. Part B, what times 2 will give you 18, which is 18 divided by 2 will give you a 9. So here will be a 9 times 2. Sorry about that. So it's 9 times 2 equals to 18. What times 3 will give you a 27? That is 27 divided by 3 is equals to 9. So here is 9. What times 3 is 18? So 18 divided by 3 is 6. So this is 6. What times 4 is 12? So it's 12 divided by 4. Your answer is 3. So this is 3 times 4 is equals to 12. What times 4 is 24? 24 divided by 4. Your answer is 6. So it's 6 times 4 equals to 24. What times 5 is 40? So 40 divided by 5. Your answer is 8. So it's 8 times 5 is equals to 40. What times 5 is 25? So 25 divided by 5, your answer is a 5. So 5 times 5 is 25. What times 10 is 70? So it's 70 divided by 10, your answer is 7. So it's 7 times 10 is equals to 70. What times 10 is 50? So it's 50 divided by 10, your answer is a 5. So 5 times 10 is equals to 50. Okay? Alright, let's move on to the next question. Complete the multiplication and division equation. So you must be very, very careful when you're doing this question because it's a mixture of multiplication and division. So here you have your multiplication. So what times 2 equals to 16? In other words, 16 divided by 2, alright, is 8. So this answer is 8 times 2 is 16. 16 divided by 2 is 8. So if 16 divided by 2 is 8, 16 divided by 8, here, crisscross, 16 divided by 8, your answer will be a, yes, 2. Okay, alright, let's do B. What times 3 is equals to 12? In other words, it's 12 divided by 3, the answer is 4. So it's 4 times 3 is 12. So if 12 divided by 3 is 4, 12 divided by 4 will be 3. Okay. Next. What times 4 is 28? 28 divided by 4 is a 7. Okay. So here is 7 times 4 is 28. So 28 divided by, so if this is a 4, so your next one will be 28 divided by 7 is equals to 4. These switch places. Okay? Alright, next. What times 5 is 30? So 30 divided by 5 is a 6. So this is 6. 30 divided by, so if this is a 5, you can't take the 5, you have to do 6. So 30 divided by 5 will give you the 30 divided by 6, sorry, 30 divided by 6 will give you the answer 5. Okay, alright, next. times 10 equals to 20. So 20 divided by 10 is a 2. So here will be 2 times 10 is 20. So if this is a 10, so it's this one here, you have to put the 2. 20 divided by 2 gives you, this part here will be a 10. Okay, all right. Next, multiply 3 by 3. So you have 1, 2, 3. So it's 3 groups of 1, 2, 3, 3 cakes. 3 groups of 3, that is 3 times 3 equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that's 9. So there are 9 slices of cake altogether. Okay, next. Divide 18 rings equally into 2 groups. So you have 18 rings into 2 groups. So all you need to do is to draw the 2 groups and divide the 18 rings. So just count in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. I stop at 18 because that's 18 rings. So here will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 in each group. So 18 is my total. Always take the total. Divide by 2 groups. So in each group is 9. So there are 9 rings in each group. Is everybody okay? Each group. Okay? Now, next. Number 10. Pack 30 bells equally into bags of 10. Pack 30 bells equally into bags of 10. Okay. So here you have 30 bells. Now, bags of 10 is not 10 groups. Bags of 10 means in each bag there's 10. Okay? It's not like question 9 where you know it's 2 groups, so straight away you draw the 2 groups and you share them equally because this is sharing. But this is not sharing, this is grouping. Okay? So here in this case you have to note that in each bag there's 10. Okay, so this is one bag. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's one bag. So I have 10 here. So altogether there's 30 bells, right? So 1, 2, 3. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So this is another 10. Okay, so I have 10, 20, I need 30, so another bag, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is another 10. 10, 10, and 10, that's 30. I will stop. So here I'll take my total, that's 30, divided by 10. So how many bags are there? 1, 2, 3. So my answer is 3 bags. So here will be, there are 3 bags of bells. Is everybody okay? Okay, let's do question 11. Put 32 marbles equally into boxes of 4. Alright. You have to put them equally into boxes of 4. What does that mean? It doesn't mean boxes of 4 is not 4 groups. Okay, that means in each group there's 4 marbles. Boxes of 4. So that means in one group there's 4 marbles, not 4 groups. Okay, so you have 4 here. Now you got to put them all. So that's 32 all in all. So that's 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. I stop at 32 because there's 32 marbles. Okay, so I take my total, that's 32. I take my 4, so 32 divided by 4 equals to how many groups? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's 8 groups. So there are 8 boxes of marbles. Is everybody okay? All right, let's do the last question and see whether is it sharing or is it grouping. Okay, share. Okay, so this is the clue already, right? So this is share 40 mini pizza equally among 5 children. So you're sharing equally. So you have 5 children, so you just draw 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So all you need to do is to share, because they say share. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. I stop at 40. Okay, so 40 is my total divided by 5 children equals to, I count in each group 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's 8. So each child gets 8 mini pizza. Okay, all right, so we are done with the review. Okay, I see you for the next lesson. Bye.